Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of our data science tutorial series. In today's video, we will guide you through setting up your environment for seamless Python based data science. So, why setting up your environment is crucial? A proper setup is essential for smooth coding and avoiding errors. It ensures you have all the tools you need to analyze data effectively. It helps avoid compatibility issues and provides the tool you will need to perform complex data science tasks. Okay, now installing Python. So the first step is visit python.org and download the latest version of Python. So we move to our browser, Google Chrome, open, click on python.com, hit enter. Sorry, python.org. Click on the download button. Now here you can see the download button. Download Python 3.1 3.1. Download it. Desktop. Save. I already download. The second step is install Python and ensure to check the box for adding Python to path. Okay, downloaded successfully. Now click on it. Click on continue. 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 Agree. If you want to change the location, so here you can click on it, install. It will get the password. So I already installed the Python, so I will cancel it. Okay, now after installing the Python, you can verify the Python version in the terminal on MacBook. So here command the space terminal. Now Python version. So my Python version is the 3.11.7. Okay, so IDEs for data science. Jupyter Notebook is great for interactive coding, while VS Code or Visual Studio Code offers versatility with extensions. So try both, see which one suits your workflow best. So Jupyter Notebook by default comes with the Anaconda. We will see later. VS Code, you can download it from the internet easily. So we will open the Chrome browser, open the new tab. Here we can search VS Code. Now you can find the second link, Mac, Linux, Windows. Click on it. If you download for Windows, click on it. So I have a MacBook, so I will download it for MacBook. Set the path where you want to download. Save. So I will speed up the video. Okay, the Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Now click on it. Now it will extracting the file. Desktop. Now after extracting, you will see this icon. Now double click on it, simple. Okay, click on open. Now here the Visual Studio Code is open. Introduction to Anaconda. Anaconda simplifies managing Python environment and libraries. It's a must have for any data scientist. So download it and explore its capabilities. So again, open Google Chrome. In the third tab, we can search anaconda.com. On the top right side, you can see the free download option. Click on it. Skip registration. Download for Mac. Now here there is two options. Download for Apple Silicon, which have a silicon chip, and the second one is for Intel. So I have Intel chip. Click on this. Set the path for the Anaconda. Save. So its total size is 776. So it will take some time. Now we are going to our downloaded directory where the file is downloaded. Let's create it. Double click on it. Now it will extracting the file. This package will run a program to determine if software can be installed. Click allow. Continue. 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 Agree. Click on the install. Now it will ask for the password. Enter your password and click on the install software. So I'm canceling this because I have already installed. Okay, now setting up virtual environment. Virtual environments help isolate your projects. So we can use Anaconda Navigator or the command line to create environments tailored to specific Python version or libraries. First, I'm open the Visual Studio Code. Click on it, and also open the Anaconda Navigator. Okay, where is the extension? Click on it. Python. So I already installed. Enable. Click on the first one by Microsoft.com. Click on install. Okay, Jupyter Notebook extension installed. So this is the Anaconda Navigator. Click on environment. If you want to install any package, so now single click on this. Open terminal. This one. Open terminal. Where is the terminal? Now here we can paste it. 3.11.7. Now hit the enter button. Wait for it. It will take some time. What it will say? Yes. Now these are the packages: downloading and extracting packages, TensorFlow, Base, MySQL, Qt main, Pandas, Scikit-learn. So it will create a virtual environment. Okay, now the execution is complete. Now navigator, you can see my env is showing. I'm creating a folder here, data data science. Okay, okay. Now we need to open the folder which I created. Now click on in the menu bar, click on file. Here you can find the open folder. Okay, desktop, data science, open, command, shift plus P. Okay, okay. Now here on the second number, create new Jupyter notebook. Click on it. Command create new Jupyter notebook resulted in an error. Notebook editor creation failure for document. New Jupyter notebook test.ipynb. Okay, save book. This one is the kernel. Select kernel, Python environments. Our created environment is my-env. Select this one. So if your environment is not activated, you can write conda activate. Okay, so the environment is activated. Mac, double click on it. Copy salary as a path name. Import pandas. The second one is okay, now data equal to NumPy as np. pd dot read csv. Get the path. Now run all. Okay, now the environment is working successfully. Now click on the variable. It's get the all the data from the salary data. So our environment is working. Also Click on this show variable snapshot in data viewer. Click on it. A data view extension is required to view data frame. Click yes to recommend extension. Yes. Install. Okay, now the extension is installed successfully. Okay, now the extension installed successfully. Now again we allow. Okay, so these are the data in my CSV list. With your environment setup, we we are ready to start coding. So in the next video, we will dive into Python basics and essential function for data science. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.